Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
You need Git, Git LFS, and Unity installed. Install now if missing. Clone the empty GitHub repository into your workspace, then add a Unity optimized. Git ignore so large temporary files don't clutter history. Once done, run Git LFS install and track common asset types like asterisk, PSD and asterisk, FBX. Commit a minimal set, project settings, assets, no library, and packages. This first act prevents massive repo bloat and makes collaboration reliable from the outset. In Unity, switch version control to visible meta and asset serialization to force text. This makes merges workable. Then, in your local repo, stage the meta files and scene YAML. Commit with concise messages so history is clear. Make branching a habit. Create feature branches for isolated work and open pull requests for integration. When conflicts occur, merge the textified scene files, re-import in Unity, and test the scene. This ensures serialized changes are reconciled and prefabs remain intact. Automate by adding a CI workflow that runs Unity tests and performs a headless build. This catches regressions early. Tag stable commits and publish GitHub releases with build artifacts so teammates can fetch reproducible builds. When problems appear, bisect by resetting to a known good commit, then reapply changes one feature at a time to isolate the fault. Make sure to keep a recovery branch and document your troubleshooting steps. This saves hours when tracking down tricky merge or import issues.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.